Okay, so basically I'm bored and I'm just gonna be making like hair accessories, easy, cheap hair accessories. I like flowers, so I decided to make flower hair accessories. And I like minimal, like small things as well. I'm gonna make a minimal type hair accessories to put in your hair when it's down, when it's up, like this. So I bought these because, as you can tell, yellow is my favorite color. And they're little roses, they're cute or whatever. I bought these, they're white. You really just cannot go wrong with white. And I bought these, blue. I don't know why I bought this color. Pins, mini pins. This Gorilla Hot Glue sticks. So for all this in total, I got for about $17. So that's not expensive at all. And I also got these pins too. And you'll see why like later on. So we can get started, I guess, because there's nothing else to talk about. This is a clip I did so far, as you can see. So I'm gonna show you guys how I made this one, because I'm gonna make one that's identical to it and then two different ones. Okay, so I have two more of these, two more clips. For these two, I'm just gonna make one plain blue one and one plain white one, and that's it. That's the blue one that I just finished. Yeah, nothing more to it. Okay, and this is the white one. See, it's just white roses. That was the hair clips, so these clips. So now I'm gonna show y'all how to make the pins, the bobby pins. Oh my gosh, they're babies. Look how tiny that is. Look at it, they're like an inch long. It's not gonna focus, but look how tiny. This is what I'm gonna do, because it's like 30 of them. I cut the sections out. For each section, I'm just gonna make a color. That's what I'm gonna do. You'll see how I do it, because I'm gonna do it a specific way to where you could stick it into like your button, because I want mine in my button, which would be pretty cute. So yeah. Finished with everything I just did. I'm finished with the pins and the hair clips, and you guys will see how I put them in my hair in just a second. Okay, so this is what I decided to do with the matching ones. I don't like this at all. Like, I don't like the hairstyle. I don't like the This is what I decided to do with the last pin. It was the all white one. As you can see, I decided to do with this because I just want to like each one different. So I have a little twist on this side. Don't mind it, child. Don't mind it. If you made it to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was very time consuming and my butt hurts because this seat is not comfortable at all. Now I have new accessories because these are really cute. And look, they look like little bouquets. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat. Then I'll wash my hair after I eat. So if you like this video, give it a like. Subscribe, and if you're subscribed, turn on the post notifications so you get a notification when I post. And comment down below. Comment which hairstyle you like, which freaking pin you like. I don't know. Just let me know. I don't know.
Are you still there? To delete this message, press 7. To save it in the archives, press 9. To hear more options, press 0.
What are you talking about?
Wee. Come here. Come here. She licked me.